Hi, I'm the Lockpicking Cuber, and in this video I'm going to be playing a 3D puzzle game on an Oculus Quest, which is this headset and these controllers here. You can see me through my phone camera some of the time, and you'll also see my own perspective, what I'm looking at, and so as I turn myself you'll see my view change. The game I'm playing is this one. It's called Puzzling Places. It has a set of, places and objects in some cases, and you can break them up into a number of pieces that you can choose. So in this case you can go from 25 up to 400. I'm going to go with 25 pieces, and you have to put the thing back together. So let's see, I might try this Union Pacific Railroad car. I haven't tried that one yet. So we can divide it into 25 pieces. And there they are. So these are the 25 pieces in front of me. And if I look down, I can see illustrations of the thing that I'm creating. And notice you can see inside as well as the outside. This is one of the amazing things about this puzzle game. Okay, so let's have a look. Looking for an interesting place to start. Maybe if I go with this corner here. So this is, I guess, that back corner, sort of that way around. Like this, could this go? I guess these go together, but not necessarily. Alright, this is an open window with no glass in it. Which could be that one. No. How about this guy? Here we have where it's sort of coming up off the ground a bit. Okay. I like the way you can rotate, and you can see the inside of the pieces as well as the outside. Let's have a look. You'd think 25 pieces would be really easy, right? But it actually turns out that some of these puzzles are really difficult. Well, not super difficult, but harder than you'd think. 25 pieces. So go there. Oh, it does. Yeah, so when you put the pieces together you get this nice satisfying clunk and then a relevant sound like that one. I'm just wondering if this goes here now. Where else could this guy go? Not there by the looks of it, no. Okay. I'm sort of gathering the pieces around me here. What else? Oh, this red door. Where's that red door? Is that a door? Oh, I see, right, that goes on that end. Okay, so this goes sort of right over here somewhere. The writing is here. I don't know where that goes. There's a different bit of red door. Does this go here? No, it must go the other side then, perhaps. I don't think we see the other end, but I'm going to assume this is it. So somewhere over there. What else have I got? This guy. Oh, well, that's an easy one. Pacific. This guy. Right, we've got a bit of this sort of upper section. I wonder if... Does this go here? Yeah. Okay. A piece of roof. Go in there. Yeah. Okay. I guess there'll just be a little bit more of that bit of roof that goes upwards. Now this, where did I put that bit? Is it around there? Oh yeah, that goes in there. No. It does not. Okay, I was fooled. It's just red, but it's not as red. But there's this ladder. Right. Oh, that's a different ladder, obviously. So there must be a ladder, yeah. No, that's this ladder, right? I don't see a ladder. Oh yeah, there is a ladder around on the side then, right? So this goes like here? No. Somewhere around here anyway. Exactly. Let's just turn that round a bit and have a bit that way. So we have this... Oh right, I see. So we have a window, then another window, then a ladder, so that should go sort of there. So I want to find that other window. Is this... I don't know what that is. Yeah, where's the other window then? I can't see it. Looks like it goes with this somehow. Very obvious how though. The detail on this, see that little bit sticking out there. Oh, right, this has some writing on it. Is that that? No, it's different writing. Oh, okay, so that's around this corner here. There we go. Right, so I'm going to find something else that has a bit of writing on it. Ooh. There's a bit of a ladder. Oh, I see, that was upside down, huh? No, it's not it. Okay. Oh, that was just there. And that goes in there, is it? No. I think so, no. Okay. Kind of making a bit of a mess here, but I'm making progress as well. I'm wondering... So they put these sort of jigsaw puzzle shaped bulbous bits on there to sort of show you where things join together more easily. And sometimes that's really helpful. And other times not so much. So there's this little kind of chimney thing here, which makes me, yeah, okay, this goes on the roof. Oh, is it just this way around? Does this fit? Got to go here. Ah, okay, there we go. The broken bits of roof were fooling me into thinking that was the shape of the piece. Right, we've got a tiny little corner piece here. That can't be hard to find, can it? Oh, look. Oh, this goes in here, obviously. There's another tiny corner piece there. Well, that goes in there, obviously. And then is this there? No, it's too big. Oh, this is like an inside piece. It's one of the amazing things about it, that you don't just do the outside, to put bits inside as well. It's there, yeah. Okay. Yeah. We can peer through. And I don't know how this looks for you, but I'm kind of inside it now. That's weird. So what is this? Is that blue colour's inside right here? So this must just be the floor. How does this go then? No, somewhere in there anyway. There's another bit. Does it go? No. Go in there. No. Let's go behind one of the windows, I assume. Oh, maybe it's here. Let's go. Don't know. Somewhere like this, but it's not quite right. Okay. Let's have a look. This piece... I think, yeah, that's ceiling. So that's gonna go somewhere here, I guess. Let's see, where are those chimney pots? Okay, so, oh, I see, there's actually an open bit on the roof. Which is over there. Am I confused here? Yeah. Hard to get the orientation right on these things. Okay, I'll leave that for a second. This must be one of the little corner pieces. No. Okay, I mean this has to go somewhere. Let's see, so that's one ladder, so this is the other ladder, so it has to go on the other side. Not quite. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's sort of bigger than I realised, actually. So that's helpful. I'm taking a little bit further. Okay, there's this guy with a sort of, I don't know what that is. It's not quite a window, is it? I don't know. Maybe it's a boarded up window. Somewhere in there. And then there's this little bit. Okay, this has got to be one of these missing corners. What was the other one? together, although it made quite a mess. How are these planks kind of leaning up against? I can't really see exactly that bit. So there are some planks here. So that's not it, there's some more planks. I'm struggling to find in the illustrations. Oh well. Jump at this. No. Some of these pieces sort of go through each other, which just makes them more confusing. There we go, that's good. So, there's not many places this could go really. Let's go here, surely. No. Okay. There's a bit of ground. Where's the rest of the ground? Okay, this is another corner. Oh, it must go over there. I see. Here. Wait. How does this go? That way? No. Quite get how this fits. It's just like a window, right? We've got that sort of rotten wood here. Don't know. Okay. Come back to it. And what's this? This is a bit of roof, I think. Internal roof. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's floor, is it? Do I want to put floor in, or is it something make life harder? There. Okay. Where's this bit? Oh, I can see. It goes over here. Right. Yeah. Oh, it must be over here. Okay. That's that bit. And then this bit must go in here, surely. Okay. Okay. Oh, and now we've just got around here. That bit. Oh yeah. There we go, and this obviously goes in here. Okay, now we've just got some inside pieces. You can see this one has to go in there. Okay. It's telling me I'm onto the last piece. Painted myself into a corner, not putting this piece in earlier, obviously. Oh, I see. That's the bit that's missing in the middle there. So it's got to go in here. The question is just which way round. Go, so there it is. That's the Union Pacific rail car. And get some fireworks to celebrate. Oh, isn't that nice? There we go. So I hope you've enjoyed watching me solve this 3D puzzle in Puzzle Places on the Oculus Quest. If you have, and you'd like to see me do more of this kind of thing, let me know. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!